So, how are you? You're tired, I see.
I'm good, yeah, I'm really tired, but it's been a really, really fun weekend.
Yeah, so do you like doing conventions, and what do you think is the best part about them?
The best part is, I guess, something as an actor that works in TV or film that we sort of, I guess, miss out on compared to theatre, which is the connection that you have with the people and to see what your work has done, you know, and it's great to see how these people have responded to the show, and it's great to meet the fans and hear their stories and hear what makes the show special to them, and you sort of get past all that and then you actually just get to know the people, and it's really, really special.
Yeah. So you visited many places because of these conventions. So which city left the best impression on you?
Oh man, it's hard to say. I don't think there's a city that's left the best impression. I think they've all left a very special and different impression. You know, every country is unique in their own way, and I think what's so beautiful about the Vampire Diaries fans is they're very universal with their love and their time and what they're willing to offer us. Being part of the show, so I think as a whole it's just very, very special. Yeah.
Which actors do you like to work at these conventions?
Oh God, I really like working with Matt Davis. I have a blast with him. Daniel Gillies, Stephen McQueen, I think is so giving of his time. You know, it's always fun working with Paul Wesley. He makes me laugh a lot. We do a lot of interviews together, and he makes me laugh more than anybody, Paul. I really like his sense of humour. So yeah, but everyone is really, really great. I don't have anyone that I dislike working with, so I'm very lucky.
Yeah. So were there any awkward situations with fans on these conventions?
Awkward?
Yeah.
No, they don't really happen. I mean, like I was saying on stage today, it takes a lot for me to get awkward. I feel like I'm a very awkward person. So for someone to make me feel awkward, they'd have to do something pretty extreme, and I haven't seen that yet.
Okay, so have you seen season 5 of the Vampire Diaries? I
have, yeah.
So what do you think about it?
I think it's great. I think Paul is doing a fantastic job as Silas. I think the storylines look really, really fun, and you know, it's a new generation where the characters are starting to explore something that's very different to the first 4 seasons. Obviously, the originals are out of the picture at the moment, so it allows them to create new stories and sort of really hone in on these characters that, you know, the people have come to love.
And what do you think about the originals?
I love it. Obviously, I'm going to be biased, and I think the originals is going to be a really, really special show, and it's going to offer something very unique and different to what Vampire Diaries is doing. And you know, the actors on the show are so talented. You know, I'm a huge fan of Daniel Gillies as an actor, Joseph Morgan, you know, Claire Holt. And you know, they've got some really good young talented actors working with them, you know, so it'll be interesting to see, and I really do hope I get an opportunity to return on the show.
Yeah, do you think it will become more popular than Vampire Diaries?
I don't know. That's the question that fate and time will tell.
Yeah. And for the end, what would you like to say to your fans in Serbia?
Well, I would like to say that one day I'd love to visit you all. I get lots and lots of beautiful tweets from the Serbian fans, and you know, that region in the world is very close to my heart. You know, so I definitely want to visit Serbia one day, and you know, if I do, I'll definitely do an impromptu meet and greet somewhere in the streets of Belgrade, you know, so hopefully if I do get that chance, people will come out and say hello, and we can have a hug and talk about what we love about the show.
Yeah. Thank you so much.